Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a PS4 controller on a Chromebook. First, make sure your PlayStation 4 controller has sufficient charge and is powered on. Next, confirm that your Chromebook's Bluetooth is active and ready to find new devices. This process is generally quick, taking less than 1 minute, and is compatible with nearly all contemporary Chromebook models. Prepare for a seamless connection between your devices. To begin, hold down the small share button located on the top left of your controller, along with the central PS button. Continue holding both buttons for about 3 to 5 seconds. You will notice the light bar on the back of your controller start to flash quickly in a distinct pattern. This rapid blinking is the signal that your PlayStation 4 controller is now in discoverable pairing mode, ready to connect. Now, turn your attention to your Chromebook. Click on the Quick Settings panel, typically found in the bottom right corner of your screen. From there, select the Bluetooth option. Next, choose Pair New Device to prompt your Chromebook to scan for available connections. After a few moments, you should see Wireless Controller appear in the list. Select it to initiate the pairing process with your PlayStation 4 controller. Once you select Wireless Controller on your Chromebook, the light bar on your PlayStation 4 controller should stop flashing and become a solid color. This solid light confirms that a successful connection has been established between your controller and your Chromebook. To fully verify, open a game or an application that supports external gamepads. Test all the buttons and joysticks to ensure they respond as expected, providing smooth control during gameplay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.